Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, More Than RN. Today is Sunday, beautiful day, a lot of sun. It's 37 degrees outside. I'm inside my car right now. I went to church, and after church I went to Lowe's. I'm here right now in the parking lot of Lowe's. I wanted to see what's garden center of Lowe's. So there's nothing much. They were only selling some bulbs like dahlias, peonies, and other seed potatoes, seed onions and all that. Nothing much. And few, planters. And they were selling a lot of soil, garden soil, potting mix, and all that. So you can see at the back, and I bought 2 clearance plants. These are indoors. One is good for 40 degrees Fahrenheit and one is good for 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So right now they cannot go outside because they will die. So I'm going to rehab them because they were kind of distressed. That's why it's 50% off. I paid only $30 for both of them. And I'm going to plant them in a bigger pot, put fresh potting soil, and put them inside my living room.